From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your afternoon weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
And we sure hope you're having a great day so far. After a little bit of dense fog this morning, we've got plenty of sunshine. The clouds will continue to build, and we're looking at a chance for some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And some of those storms could become a little bit stronger here throughout the day today. But really, that's not the big story. The big story is going to be the big-time rain that's heading our way for the rest of the week, like drought-busting rain. So give me some time. I'm going to walk you through all the details, talk about all the systems that are going to bring us the copious amounts of water. First things first, let's start you off with the upper-level energy. High pressure across the Gulf Coast states. Here comes our next storm system out of the upper Midwest. That's going to dive into our area, and that's going to drag a cold front through our area. Now, this cold front's not going to have a clean sweep all the way through. It actually is going to just continue to kind of stall out to our west, and that's going to be bringing us a fetch of rain all the way through Thursday. But then we're talking about tropical moisture heading our way as we get into our Friday and Saturday. Well, Friday more so. All right, so severe weather outlook. We do have a level 1 risk for some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms. It does encompass all of East Tennessee, so something to keep in mind that we are talking about the potential for some damaging wind gusts and maybe up to about 3/4 of an inch hail. Tornadoes and flooding and flash flooding is not a concern today, but flooding and flash flooding could be a concern down the road. So let's pick up our timeline here at the lunch hour, run you through the afternoon. Again, you're going to see that southwesterly fetch of moisture. So spotty showers and thunderstorms will continue to fire up throughout the afternoon and into the early evening hours. But the rain doesn't stop here at 7 o'clock tonight. It will continue during the overnight hours. So by the end of the day, not a whole lot of rain expected across the area. And again, it's going to be a hot summer day around town as well. We're talking temperatures topping out in the upper 80s to near 90. Dew points are in the upper 60s to low 70s. That's very muggy air in place. And so therefore, heat index values will be pushing the low to mid 90s. Into the evening hours, if you have ball games practices tonight, could have a couple of spotty showers. We'll be in the mid 70s by 8 o'clock tonight. And of course, you can always track the rain with the interactive radar using the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a great tool. It's free. It gives you current, past, and future radar of 2 hours. Now let's run you through the overnight hours because it's going to be a soggy start to our Wednesday morning as this fetch of rain continues to swing its way into the area. Heavy rain at times overnight tonight, maybe some thunderstorms as well, but no severe weather threat tonight while we're sleeping. By sunrise, we're going to wake up with temperatures in the 60s. Then as we head to our Wednesday afternoon, look at this fetch of rain that's just going to continue to feed its way into the Tennessee Valley, and that's going to bring us a soggy Wednesday for sure. Not to mention, because the clouds and the rain, we're going to be on the cooler side as well. Rainfall totals, this is going to flop back and forth. So again, don't pinpoint this exactly saying, oh, I'm looking at 2 inches of rainfall. Earlier this morning, this fetch of rain was a little bit further to our west. So again, this is going to be deviating 50 to 100 miles or so back and forth. It just kind of depends on where this rain axis sets up shop. And whoever gets that is going to get the heaviest rainfall and the best potential for some flooding concerns. Elevated dew points because, well, the cold front doesn't have a clean sweep, and here comes tropical moisture swinging its way into the area. Potential tropical cyclone number 9 could become a Category 1 hurricane by, say, Wednesday afternoon or Thursday morning. So elevated rain chances all the way through the rest of our week. Saturday looks like it's going to be on the drier side for now, and then maybe a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms as we get into our Sunday and Monday time frame. But a lot of rain. Look at this. Over the next 3, 5, and 7 days, we are talking about drought-busting rain around the area. Great news because we don't want the drought, we need the moisture. Bad news because it's too much too soon all at the same time, and that's why we have that elevated risk for potential flooding. A level 1 risk for the day today, a level 2 risk for the day tomorrow, and a level 1 and 2 risk for the day on Thursday. So a big old batch of moisture is going to lead to the potential for some localized flooding and flash flooding, but at least we start to see those temperatures come on down. How about this? More seasonable weather on the way, upper 70s to low 80s as we round out the week and head into the upcoming weekend. So as I mentioned, check in with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a free app download. Just go to your app store and search East TN Weather, all one word, TN like the state of Tennessee, abbreviated. The interactive radar, your daily forecast weather updates. Listen, my friends, it is all weather all the time and no nonsense. Come get what you need and then move about your day. Have a great day. Your next weather update's coming up at 6 o'clock here tonight. We'll see you soon.